You've probably heard the claim that TC2000 is one of the best charting tools out there, but what if the sleek interface has a hidden catch that could derail your strategy before you even get started? This TC2000 review is going to walk you through what no one else is telling you, the good, the bad, and everything in between. Let's dive in. But before, let's pause for a second and do what every smart trader should do before signing up for any trading and stock charting software. Let's take a look at what the real users are saying. We actually went deep into 2C2000 reviews, not just the shiny 5-star ones either, but the negative ones too, because let's face it, the truth usually hides where no one wants to look. One of the more pointed critiques about TC2000 came from a user who had a pretty strong opinion. He said that this charting software looked great for charting, no argument there, but then he hit a wall. The charts didn't load any data unless he paid extra. According to him, unless you're willing to upgrade to the gold plan, which bumps the price up by about 50%, there's really nothing to chart. Now, if you didn't expect that going in, it can definitely be a curveball. No one likes discovering hidden costs once they've already signed up. But the reality is that data feeds aren't free. Stock trading platforms like TC2000 rely on external market data providers, which means that if you want full real-time stock charting coverage, there's going to be an extra fee. And in fairness to TC2000, they don't exactly hide this. It's listed clearly on their pricing page. It just depends on what kind of trader you are. If you're looking for basic charting without live feeds, you can absolutely start small. But if you're active and want live data, the gold level is really where the magic happens in the TC2000 trading platform. So yes, this user had a valid point, but it's not a trick or a scam. It just shows how most professional grade stock charting softwares operate. It's like buying a car and realizing the premium sound system is an upgrade. Is it frustrating if you're expecting that? Maybe. But is it sneaky? Not really. Now, on the flip side, many users swear by the platform and wouldn't trade without it. Using long-time trading is for a lot of these different people, and one long-term trader said that he's been using TC2000 stock chart software and stock screeners to manage not only his personal portfolio, but over $43 million in client funds. He described it as powerful, reliable, and incredibly adaptive. He mentioned using momentum, Dow theory, MACD histogram, and moving averages all within TC2000, and called it far superior to any free program offered by the brokerages. In his setup, he does his research in TC2000, then trades through Schwab. Another user with nearly 20 years of experience in stock investing and trading, and trying all the big-name stock analysis platforms, said that he kept coming back to TC2000. He didn't just call it good, he called it hands down the most powerful tool in trained hands, especially the newer versions. And when someone with 2 decades of hands-on experience says that, it carries weight. So yeah, we found a few bumps too, but overall, the platform's reputation is pretty strong. Most of the feedback was overwhelmingly positive, especially from traders who know what they're doing and rely on precision tools to make smart moves. Now, let's talk about what makes TC2000 stand out from the rest. This is more than just a charting tool. TC2000 is a complete stock analysis ecosystem. It combines beautiful charting, fast and intelligent stock and option screeners, and fully integrated trading, all packed into one platform. First up, the charting. This is what TC2000 is best known for, and for good reason. The charts are stunning. They're fast, responsive, and fully customizable too. Want to add a Bollinger Band? No problem. Need to overlay multiple indicators? Easy. And you can add a whole bunch of extra stuff. The interface is clean, smooth, and doesn't lag, even when you're stacking multiple timeframes. Whether you're a visual trader or just need clarity on price action, TC2000's charting engine delivers. Now, let's talk screeners. TC2000's stock screeners and option screeners are some of the fastest and most powerful out there. And here's where things get interesting. The scans are dynamic. You can filter thousands of stocks in real time based on your own custom criteria. You're not limited to basic filters. Want to find stock with a rising 50-day moving average breaking out of a 3-week consolidation on increased volume? You can do that live. And then there's the option side. A lot of platforms don't go deep into options screening, or they make it overly complicated. TC2000 nails it. You can sort by Greeks, expiration dates, strike prices, volume, open interest, you name it. It's fast, flexible, and saves you hours of scanning. Trading integration is another big win here. You can place trades directly from the charts. That's right, if you see a breakout happening on the chart, you don't have to switch tabs or open another platform. Just right-click, set your entry, add a stop, confirm your order, and you're in. It's seamless. They also offer advanced TC2000 drawing tools, comparison stock charts, watch lists that sync across devices, and alerts that can notify you when your exact trading conditions are met. Alerts can be set for price, volume, conditions met, and much more. For technical traders who need reliable real-time tools, TC2000 is like a Swiss Army knife. It does almost everything, and it does it well. So what's the catch? Well, TC2000 isn't a set it and forget it type of tool. It's packed with features, and that means that there's a bit of a learning curve. If you're brand new to stock analysis and trading, this platform might feel overwhelming at first, but that's true of any serious trading software. What really helps here is that TC2000 has done a good job with tutorials, walkthroughs, and an active user community. So while it might take you a bit to find your way around, you won't be stuck. And once you learn the ropes, you'll wonder how you ever traded without it. Alright, let's talk TC2000 pricing. Is it worth it? Compared to other stock charting and trading platforms out there, TC2000 is reasonably priced. Now, it might feel a little on the higher end if you're a more casual investor who only checks the market a few times a month. But for active traders, swing traders, or option traders, you're getting a powerhouse platform that more than justifies its price. For full details on their pricing and to take advantage of their latest promo or discount, check the link in the description of this video. We try to keep that updated so you don't miss out. So, is TC2000 legit? From this TC2000 review, we can see that this is not perfect software, but for serious traders who want speed, power, and control all in one platform, TC2000 is hard to beat. If you're ready to take your trading analysis to the next level, check the link in the description of this video to get started with our special discount and coupon.